All right, for the XPS, the sample mounting, we have this mounting stage here. We have all the holders in this container. So we can open it. We're not supposed to use hand to touch another. So I'm going to show you. So we have this 60mm holder. We have two of them, and we have 25mm holder, a number of them. Some for some other applications. So for this 60mm holder is most popular because you can put many samples. And the 25, these two, we're not supposed to use it to use. We just keep it here. And this we have many standard sample on it. Don't use it. And this one is for heating and cooling. You don't use until unless you're really going to do heat and cooling. And another one, this is party cup. So you don't need it and don't use it, okay? And for the other holders, we have two of these 25mm holder. So there's one. Okay, this is for general use. It's okay. But we don't have many people use because small. And this one is for the sample who is poor. You can put some sample inside. So yeah. All right. For all these holders, another one. This is for the UPS or angular tilt, angular depth profile. So this small holder, this holder plus this 5-hole small 25mm holder, you can tilt to 90 degrees. But 60mm, there's no room for you to do tilting. Okay. So most XPS we don't need tilt, but if we need to do UPS, if we need to do angular depth profile, we have to do tilting. So for tilting, I recommend use this one unless we get lots of this one. For this one, it's called 4 angular position holder. We have 4 places for you to mount sample. Okay. Okay. I'm going to show you how to mount the sample to this holder. I'm going to put the camera here. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to mount the sample to the angular position holder. This is not general for the UPS experiment. Okay. So you probably have wafer or small piece or something, but your sample has to be larger than this small window. Okay. So this is about 6mm to 1 centimeter. So I lose the screw a little bit. Okay, so that you can lift this small piece to put your wafer underneath. Okay, I'm going to get a wafer. So we have the wafer here. I need 2 tweezers. Okay, so At one of my hands will lift this piece up. And this is the coordination of both hands. Let me see what this is. Still sinking to the other side better. Okay. So if it's not tall enough for you to insert the wafer, you can put the screw up a little bit. So now I'm going to load the sample. So gently to there and make sure the surface not scratched. Then notice the user are interested in some specific region, so I'm going to insert. Make sure it's a region of interest, is the middle of the window. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the best I can put. So after you put here the sample in, you gently secure the sample, but don't over tighten it. Sometimes it will crash the sample, especially for like wafer or some brittle material. So when you feel it's tight, that's good enough. Okay. So this we load one sample. Yeah, I'm going to load more. I'll try to zoom in a little bit so you can see better. The second is too big. Okay. So I'm going to load the second sample. So I gently loose the screw here. Okay, and secure it. So make sure don't scratch the surface, because for XPS, you're doing the surface. If surface being scratched, then we'll have some for you, especially for the UPS. You may get some other section from other locations. I'm going to load the third sample. I lose the screw. Okay. Hopefully this piece is big. Not that big. It's a little bit wider than here, but let's see whether you can fit. So you hold it flat, then just insert the wafer. Maybe too white from your side. If it's too white, I'm going to put from another side. Mm. And I'll start with you. I'm going to cut this off. So you see, I cut the wafer. It's a little bit weird. I use a razor blade because the wafer. Oh, not a good cutting. So this is looks to me it's a 101 wafer, not a. So it's off. It's right there. You can see the colors. When they work, okay. It's the best I can put. It's best I can put. And now the last piece. Yeah. Hmm. 250. Hopefully we can put because this is the last position, so put a little bit also outside of the edge of the this is not stay position. The stage is there. Already put it how this has a glass is filled. This time should be easy now. Okay. Now it's good. So this is how we load the sample to the 4 angular position holder. Make sure all screws are secured, your sample are secured. You're not supposed to be movable, any of them, because we are going to do tilting to almost to 90 degrees. Okay, so you can just leave it here.